Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Thanks for watching my Clarendon Crossbody Wallet tutorial video series. To make the Clarendon Crossbody Wallet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website at the link below. The purpose of this video series is to walk you through the sewing pattern instructions while you're making your own Clarendon Crossbody Wallet. In this first video, I'll describe the unique features of this bag and cover the supplies that you'll need to make it. A small crossbody bag with loads of compartments and an integrated wallet, the Clarendon keeps you well organized. The outside zipper on the front flap secures your phone and essentials in easy reach. Beneath the flap, a second zippered pocket and optional ID holder give you quick access to coins and whatever else you need most. 8 card pockets and a slip pocket keep your credit cards and cash accessible. The main compartment in the bag holds larger items and includes an additional slip pocket. The Clarendon can be made with cork, leather, or vinyl for the back exterior, as I did for this bag, in which case you will omit interfacing for those pieces. To make the Clarendon Crossbody Wallet, you will need 1/2 yard of quilt weight cotton. This will be what appears on the flap exterior. You will also need 1/3 yard of quilt weight cotton, canvas, or linen blend. This is your back exterior panel. And lastly, you will need 3/4 yard of quilt weight cotton for the lining, the flap interior, and other pieces, all noted in your pattern instructions. You will need 2 yards of 20-inch woven interfacing such as Pellon SF101, or I really like to use Woven Fuse. You also need a 10-inch by 10-inch piece of ultra firm stabilizer. You will need 2 12-inch or longer zippers. You can use number 4.5 metal zippers, as I am, or zippers by the yard, or number 3 coil zippers also work. I've made Clarendon crossbody wallets with all 3 of these types of zippers, and all have turned out beautifully. I've been very happy with them all. You will need 2 1/2-inch D-rings, 2 1/2-inch swivel hooks, 1 magnetic snap, 2 double cap rivets and tools for installation, and I am using 8mm rivets. A washable fabric marker or friction pen, double-sided tape, Dritz Fray Check or other liquid fabric sealant, a small piece of clear vinyl if you're making the ID pocket, glue such as Fabri-Tac or glue stick. I will be using glue stick for the ID pocket. And last of all, I highly recommend a walking foot attachment if you are using a domestic sewing machine. Thanks for watching. Join me in my second video in this series to go over the special features of the pattern itself and to prepare the fabrics and interfacing for sewing. See you next time. Happy sewing!